125cc ATV. Dominate any terrain with ease and experience the thrill of adventure like never before. Powered by a reliable air-cooled, 4-stroke engine, this ATV delivers unmatched performance and power. Whether you're navigating through rocky trails or cruising across open fields, the 125cc ATV is built to conquer any challenge. Equipped with a semi-automatic transmission and reverse gear, you'll have total control over your ride, ensuring smooth transitions in any situation. And with its independent double wishbone front suspension and swing arm rear suspension, you'll experience a comfortable and stable ride every time. But the benefits don't stop there. With hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear, you'll enjoy reliable stopping power when you need it most. Plus, its compact size and lightweight construction make it perfect for navigating tight trails and storing in your garage or shed. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or just starting your adventure, the 125cc ATV is the perfect companion for all your outdoor excursions. So don't wait any longer, experience the thrill of off-road freedom today. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to unleash your inner adventurer. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Check the link in the description to buy now and start your off-road journey with the 125cc ATV.